Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you the greatest sing-along campfire song there is, Blister in the Sun by the Violent Femmes. So if you like this song and you like this lesson, like and subscribe to my channel, okay? So let's get started. So to begin with, the song revolves around this G chord here. You're going to start out by hitting this. You're going to make a G chord with your second finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, your first finger on the 2nd fret of the A. You're going to put your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B and your 4th finger down here on the E string. You can have that in the background. But before you get to that, there's the play that, it's going to be this G string, the G note on the E string, 3rd fret on the E string, 2nd fret on the A, and then the 3rd fret on the A. It's going to go. Open, then G. So it goes. That's the chord progression right there. Okay, and then when it goes into the chorus, it's going to go to an E chord. It goes where you're going to have 2nd fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D string, to a C chord. That's going to be the 3rd fret of the A, 2nd fret of the D, 1st fret of the B string. Back to that E chord. C to a D. D is going to be 2nd fret of the G, 2nd fret of the E, 3rd fret of the B string. And that's the chords to this song. There's 4 chords, this neat little bass intro, which is part of the song. So anyway, it's a great song. Everybody likes it. Everybody knows the words to it, so it's fun to play. So hopefully this helps you out, and you can add this to your catalog of campfire songs, all right? So If this helps you out, subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you and have a good day.